Grill toaster ovens are versatile kitchen appliances that offer a convenient way to cook a variety of meals. There are many products available to choose grill toaster ovens, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best grill toaster ovens from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Cuisinart Air Fryer Convection Toaster Oven. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Plus Convection Toaster Oven with Grill is a versatile 8-in-1 oven that lets you cook anything from toast 3 pounds of chicken wings, a 12-inch pizza, to a 4-pound chicken. It has a wide temperature range, adjustable temperature dial, 60-minute timer/auto shutoff, and a toast shade selector for perfect cooking. The non-stick easy clean interior, oven light, oven rack, baking pan, air fry basket, and grill make cleaning simple. The new dual-sided grill and griddle plate let you sear steaks and vegetables on one side and griddle breakfast on the other. It is perfect for both family feasts and simple snacks. Number 2. NoWave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill Combo. The NoWave Bravo XL Pro offers exceptional cooking versatility with 142 easy cook presets. You can choose from various functions like air frying, toasting, grilling, baking, and more, making meal prep a breeze. Its powerful convection system cooks food faster and ensures a crispier finish, while the advanced heating design promotes even cooking across multiple racks. Plus, the included grill plate delivers that authentic char-grilled flavor, allowing you to enjoy delicious grilled meals indoors or outdoors. This combination makes your cooking experience efficient and enjoyable. Number 3. NoWave Todd English Air Fryer Grill Oven Combo. NoWave Air Fryer Grill is a versatile appliance that allows you to cook using a combination of air frying and grilling techniques. You can customize the top and bottom heaters independently for precise surround cooking. The integrated digital smart thermometer ensures your food is cooked to perfection by monitoring internal temperatures. With linear thermal, linear T technology, the appliance maintains a consistent temperature throughout the cooking process. You can make adjustments on the fly, making it easy to control time and temperature for optimal results. Number 4. NoWave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven. NoWave Bravo Oven is a powerful and efficient 12-in-1 digital toaster oven, countertop convection oven, and air fryer combo with a 21 QT capacity and 1800 watts of heating power. Its intuitive digital controls allow you to make adjustments on the fly, fine-tuning time and temperature at any point during the cooking process. The oven uses convection heating technology that circulates superheated air around the food for faster cooking times and more even results. It also features dual heat surround cooking, allowing you to customize the top and bottom heaters and convection fan independently for true surround cooking. With 12 pre-programmed presets, multi-layer cooking, and the ability to accommodate up to 12-inch pizzas, the NoWave Bravo oven makes cooking healthy, nutritious, and delicious meals for the entire family easier than ever before. Number 5. NoWave Bravo Pro Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. The NoWave Bravo Pro combines multiple cooking functions into one convenient appliance. With its newly designed fan, it cooks food 3 times faster and delivers crispy, golden brown results. The advanced convection system ensures even cooking, so you can prepare meals on multiple racks without worrying about hot spots. Plus, with 12 pre-programmed presets, you can easily air fry, bake, or grill your favorite dishes at the touch of a button. This means less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying delicious meals with your family.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.